This place is pretty cool. What? You going back down? I'm not gonna watch you go back down. You can't go back down when they're coming up. Not when they're coming up. We're going a different direction.
We could do this again. That was fun.
Ava, are you gonna make it? Benny, how is it? Pretty easy climb, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty.
Don't throw rocks. Don't.
It's pretty.
Carter, are you gonna make it?
Carter!
We were 220 feet below the falls. Now we're about halfway up the falls. It's a pretty sweet spot. What'd you say?
Let's go keep going up. Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna wait for these guys and then we'll go up.
Are you videotaping this?
I'm videotaping it right now.
Oh.
Got anything to say? Got anything to say to your fans?
Yeah, man. That was sick.
That was sick. Come on, Ava, you got it.
Dad, can you tie my shoes? Ow!
Finny, what? Don't do that. Ava made it. Ava made it.
Nice idea, buddy. Nice idea.
Can you do this to me? I was the first kid to get up there.
Yep.
Let's keep going.
There's our friends who offered us Deep Woods off at the first falls we went to, and we didn't take them up on it. That was really dumb. You got it, Carter. It's like climbing a ladder, dude.
Look at this.
Look down now, Carter. Stop and look down.
Oh no! Don't look down yet, Carter.
Yeah, I almost fell. I almost fell when I did that. What happened?
That's pretty awesome.
Carter, do not come over here.
Good climbing, guys.